Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. Today we are going to be doing a reading on what is going to happen with us in the next 72 hours. So y'all can take your time and choose the pile. We have three piles over here: the silver gift box, the green gift box and the pink one. So y'all take your time 1, 2 and 3 and choose the pile which calls to you the most. Y'all can pause the video here if you wish to, and guys, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. My name is Janvi and let's start with the reading. Okay, so y'all take your time and choose your pile. Till then I'm going to go with the silver pile, and let's see, for all those who have chosen silver, what's going to happen for you in the next 72 hours. Okay, Five of Wands. I see lots of talking going on over here, lots of discussion about you. Maybe you are planning to go outside to other country, or you're planning to move out from your house, and there's lots of discussion on this topic. Lots of people are talking about you going outside and whether you should go, and there's lots of unwanted discussion, lots of people talking about the same thing that you are doing. Okay, maybe your work, maybe because of work you people are discussing about you, and they are seeing you planning to go outside, leaving your family maybe, and that is the point of discussion. Like, to earn money you're going to leave your family and all. That is the main point of discussion, and you feel like a fool. Or maybe you are going to leave, and many of the people want to stop you from going outside, and they are saying work at your place only, work near your family, why do you want to go outside? And this is all that is going to happen in the next 72 hours. But I see you still feeling free and choosing what you want. You're going to take the leap of faith in the next 72 hours. Okay, I also see you taking care of your family. You are very loving, caring. You do care for your family, for your wife, for your girlfriend maybe, and even that is the biggest blockage. Even she is like telling people that you're going to go out or something like that, so that is becoming a problem over here. Or maybe your wife, and you are feeling like you want your children besides you want your family besides you, but you have to choose your work, and you feel like choosing one makes you feel deceit. Like you feel like you're being backstabbed if so many people are trying to not allow you to go do what you wished to do. Okay, let's get some clarification over here. Or maybe you want to get married to a person who's outside your religious background, and this person is very different. You really love her, you're really attached to your family, so people are stopping you, and that is why you cannot marry the love of your life. And there is something like that if you have chosen silver, and that is the reason why. Okay, that is the reason why you are feeling very backstabbed, or people talking about you, and your married life has become a very big issue for you. But let's clarify the 10 of swords. Okay, why do you have the 10 of swords with you today? What is going to happen in the next 72 hours that will break your heart? I see. Okay, I see you maybe in the next 72 hours trying to offer somebody that cup of love. You are going to say it straightforward. You're going to tell them that you love them and you want to marry them, and you want to work towards this connection, and that is going to be a cause of heartbreak if you have chosen silver over here, because maybe you might get triggered. Okay, maybe I see that's what's going to happen in the next 72 hours. If you have been married, you have children, you're going to speak your truth that you want to be free. Maybe you want to separate from them and they're not going to accept it, and this is going to be a big point of discussion. There is something related to love, okay, and family, so, or a job. There is 2-3 things over here. So if you all have chosen silver, then it is about your family or your job. If you want to go and work outside and people won't allow you, and they will be discussing that don't leave your family, don't leave your kids, don't go. okay? But if you are choosing, if you wish to, maybe choose a particular person to get married to, you're going to go and offer them, and that could be a cause of heartbreak because your family might not accept it, okay? So again, you'll have to see, or maybe you trying to convince them to marry in your wish against caste and religion is going to be a big messy affair, and you will have to work hard for it to convince them for the celebration. So I see over here, even the person whom you feel as a Queen of Wands, a beautiful girl, whom you wish to get married to, again you are worried that would she accept you, and then once she accepts you, your family is not accepting it, or once she has already accepted you, you want to marry her, your plans are fixed with her, and your family is going against. So I see a lot of mess for those who have chosen silver, okay? Maybe you might even go to approach, it's like for a few people, they will go and approach the person of their dreams, the girl whom they wish to marry, and this is what I see. So there are 3 groups of people who are going to be choosing silver, but there's lots of chatter about it, there's lots of discussion about going on, and you have become a point of discussion at your workplace. Maybe if you're leaving the job, or at your home, if you're leaving the country, or you're leaving your place of work or something like that, this is the thing over here. In the next 72 hours, there's lots of discussion on you, okay? Let's move on and let's see that if y'all have chosen the green pile, okay? The second one was the green one. So if y'all have chosen the green pile, what is going to happen with you in the next 72 hours? Okay, I see the sun card, it's good, but I see you in fear, I don't know why. I see you in fear. I see you running, trying to run away in the next 72 hours from an offer. You might not like the offer, you want to run away from that offer. So maybe you would try to balance yourself and start again, but I don't see you liking the offer. I see you trying to run away from something, in the next 72 hours. Run away from your past, maybe, maybe someone from the past will return and offer you something, and you will not like it, and you will want to cut cords with them, you will want to break up with them, you are scared, that this person will run away again. This is a temporary offer, this is not something solid, this was not what I planned, or if someone has escaped, and from your, if you were in a good, having a good time with them, you're chatting around with your loved one, you're talking to them, and all of a sudden they felt fear, and they walked away or they ran away, and now they will come back to offer you something while they see you balanced, okay? They will want to offer you a new situation. But what I see about you is like, you have planned to move on, okay? And what they are going to get is a cold behavior from you. If you have chosen this green one, they are going to get a cold behavior, and maybe you are going to show love, you are going to be the Ace of Cups for yourself, okay? I see you having this cup of love, holding this cup of love, but let's see, because I see you are worried about this person who is going to come and approach you. You have just recently achieved balance, and you established your career, so you might not want this person again, okay? This is what I see. Someone from your past had moved off without telling you anything, and then now they are coming back with an offer, so you have already finished with them, okay? You have let go, but then them coming back and offering you something, is what they are going to see, the cold you, which they never have, the cold behavior which you have always been very loving, and now they are going to see you frozen. So, and Hanged Man, okay? So I see you loved this person, you had, but they did not want to take any decision, you were very sad about it, and now they are going to come to you. When they see you as the Queen of Pentacles, they are going to see you rich, they see you established, they are going to come and offer you something. You are going to get the benefits of your hard work, but I don't see you responding now, okay? I don't see you reacting to this. You have moved on, and luck is in your favor, okay? So this is the reason why in the next 72 hours I don't see you accepting an offer. You will be upset, you will be fearful that why did this person even come back, I did not even want this person in my life, and why have they come back now, I've let go of them, so there's going to be lots of trigger and turmoil for y'all in the next. You might not even accept their offer, you might sit on your emotions, speaking nothing to this person and not giving them clarity, of what you are thinking and what you are wanting in this connection. So that's what I'm seeing for the next 72 hours for those who chose green. Okay, so I see a lot of fear, I see a lot of anxiety for you, I see a lot of stress, and why has this person even come back. So let's see the pink one. Okay, so if you have chosen the pink pile, let's see what's coming for you. I see the high priestess. I see you feeling very intuitive, meditating, relaxing, and walking away right now from a current situation. If you wanted to always walk away from the current situation, you are going to be able to walk away. You are going to be able to be peaceful, relax. You have hit the bullseye. Now okay, you have tried everything, that now is the time to walk away, and you will walk away. And once you walk away, I see someone offering their cup to you. I see someone from the past coming back to you and telling you something and wanting a new beginning with you. The tower had already fallen, they had done something deceitful with you, or something they had done to break your trust, something they had done to hurt you, and now they have come back. Okay, or because of this there's a third party situation I can see away in the next 72 hours for y'all. So I see that thing coming to an end, and this you manifesting this person manifesting you, and you manifesting a nice career for yourself. Let's clarify what are you manifesting actually in the next 72 hours. Okay, let's go on and let's see what you're going to manifest. Let's clarify this Three of Wands. Let's see what comes for clarification. Okay, I see a lot of healing and meditation. So maybe you are going to focus on your health, maybe you're manifesting good health, maybe you're manifesting peace of mind, strength, luck. So all that is going to come to you, and you're going to feel like everything is for you, and you will be confused now which path to choose, but you will feel like the magician of your life. So, and you will want to charge forward for the action you want to take. So I see you becoming the Knight of Swords, and you will be taking fast action and doing what you wanted to do always. So I see you becoming the magician and choosing the right thing, because you have many options over here. You have love, you have money, you have happiness, you have everything coming your way, and you're manifesting everything, and the divine is going to help you in that. So I see everything going better for you, and you being charged and moving forward in the coming 72 hours. So I hope you got a great insight. Do like, share, comment and subscribe, and to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me in the future. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.